Never go to sleep without saying this powerful dua, because on the day of judgment, it might be the only thing that saves you. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said that Allah will protect the one who recites this from the punishment on the day of resurrection. And it's so simple, yet so many Muslims don't know it. Before I share the dua, share this video with at least one person you love. Because the Prophet said, may Allah brighten the face of the one who hears my words, understands them, and shares them with others. Bukhari. Now memorize this. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad. Allahumma ihfadhni min adhabika yawma tabbathu ibadak. Oh Allah, protect me from your punishment on the day you resurrect your servants. This dua was also recited by the Prophet, peace be upon him, after every obligatory salah. And before you scroll away, comment Ameen. Share this with a loved one. They need it.